Humid weather, there's never any respite. As constant as our daily soap operas, humidity is a never-ending story that has become a part of our lives. Together, we're going to beat this monster with some amazing lifestyle hacks. If you're interested in trying out more hacks, type hacks in the comments below to download our guide. Constant sweating and humid weather go hand in hand. Because of high humidity, the sweat does not evaporate but stays on the skin, causing body odor. Showering twice a day will cleanse away all the dirt and bacteria that is responsible for body odor, as well as leave you feeling fresh and fragrant. Another way to mask body odor is to apply your perfume to the warm parts of your body, which include neck, wrists, back of your knees, inside the elbow, and ankles. The pulse points naturally radiate heat, which help diffuse scent throughout the day. The hair on our body traps sweat, causing bacteria that leads to body odor. So hair removal becomes really important if you want to stay and smell fresh all day long. Get rid of unwanted hair by waxing, shaving, or epilating your armpits, hands, and legs to keep sweat at bay. We're often left with a greasy scalp and a frizzy mane in humid weather, which make our hair really difficult to manage. First things first, avoid using products that weigh your hair down, such as hairsprays. Instead, opt for hair serums, hair mousse, or even natural oils such as argan oil that will nourish your hair and banish the frizz. Now we all know that washing our hair every day messes with the natural oils of our scalp. But what do we do when our scalp turns greasy on the second day? Refresh your hair with a dry shampoo that not only eliminates grease but also adds some volume and texture to your hair. If you're on your third and fourth day and don't really have time to spare for a hair wash, just put your hair together into a nice top knot. To slip-proof your shoes and sandals, scrape your soles with sandpaper. If you don't have sandpaper handy, just spray some hairspray on the soles. Wait for it to dry completely before putting them on. These hacks will make your shoes slip-resistant, especially during the rainy season. Our shoes are a breeding ground for bacteria and fungal infections, especially when the weather is hot, humid, or rainy. All you have to do to maintain foot hygiene is to apply some talcum powder on your feet every time you put on a pair of shoes. Another way you can avoid infesting your toenails and feet is by soaking them in a tub of warm water and adding a few drops of neem oil to it. Wash off after a few minutes, as this will help you beat the grime. Moisture management in the humid weather is really important. So just like we dab our face with tissues and blotting sheets, we also need to choose clothes that are lightweight, loose, and made from natural fibers such as cottons and linens. These fabrics absorb moisture from your body and allow airflow that will dry out the dampness and prevent rashes. Hot and humid seasons see a spike in fungal and bacterial infections because when our skin is damp, it is prone to more infections. The best way to keep these skin conditions at bay is by using antibacterial soaps and moisture-absorbing powders. A soap pocket keeps the bacteria away and ensures a proper cleanse. Now that you know these amazing hacks that you will follow to stay dry, fresh, and clean, do not forget to make them a part of your daily routine. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.